Hi there, this is Leigh from LKLM Media. Since we started the business in 2005, we've specialised predominantly in sports video, broadcasts and recordings, but I've also always had a passion for engineering and flying for probably the last 40 years. So I'm no stranger to engineering projects, among other things, or in more recent times, pulling out the drones and going for a fly. I've created this YouTube channel to try and post videos which might help anyone who, like me, may like to get stuck into simple projects and fixes, just out having a fly, or indeed mixing multiple passions into one place, such as building UAV filming platforms from scratch. This won't be the one channel to end them all when it comes to sifting through millions of online videos just to find what you need. But then again, don't forget to like, sub and share if you find anything helpful in any way. I'd love to be able to help as many people as possible achieve their goals. Cheers.